Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This tree is getting extremely popular and rightly so. It flowers from June until October. It's a lilac called Pink Perfume, and it's got a wonderful word of Bloomerang Pink Perfume. So Syringa Bloomerang Pink Perfume is a brand new variety, flowers from June until October non-stop. Now this one is going to grow roughly about 2 meters high into a head around a meter across. This little one on a lower stem is going to grow about a meter high into a good head as well. But these are really strong. All you've got to do is be careful on the stem. Any growth that comes on the stem, take it off and just let it form a good crown on top. So June until October flowering, pink flowers like that, non-stop June until October time. Take it a couple of years to settle down to flowering properly. This is the time of year to plant it. So decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive goes in at the bottom, compost and soil on top and the same bank in around. You need a small stake as well, just keep it secure for a year or two until it manages to run lots and lots of roots on its own. But really tough and hardy and well worth finding a spot for fragrance and lots of fragrance. Pink flowers, June until October. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.